Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize ringtones, notification sounds, and alerts on any Android phone. The names of some menus may be slightly different depending on the manufacturer and Android version, but the overall steps remain almost the same. Let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down until you find Sounds and Vibration, Sound, or Sound and Notifications, depending on your device. Tap on it to open the sound settings. This is where Android allows you to control almost every sound your phone makes, including incoming call ringtones, notification sounds, alarm tones, system sounds, and vibration settings. To change the ringtone for incoming calls, tap on Ringtone. Your phone will display a list of available ringtones. Every Android phone includes several built-in ringtone collections, and some manufacturers even provide dozens of melodies ranging from traditional phone rings to soft piano music, electronic sounds, and nature-inspired tones. Simply tap any ringtone once, and your phone will immediately play a preview so you can hear what it sounds like before selecting it. Take your time listening to a few different options until you find one you like. Once you've chosen your preferred ringtone, simply tap it to select it. On most Android phones, the selection is saved automatically, so there's no need to press a Save button. If your device shows a Done or Apply button, tap it to confirm your choice. While you're on this screen, you may also notice an option called Vibrate while ringing. If you want your phone to vibrate whenever someone calls, leave this option enabled. If you prefer only the ringtone without vibration, simply switch it off. Now go back to the previous menu, where you'll find another option called Notification Sound. Tap on it to change the sound your phone plays whenever you receive text messages, emails, or notifications from apps. Just like the ringtone menu, Android provides many notification sounds to choose from. Tap any sound to hear a preview, then select the one you like. Your new notification sound will be applied immediately. Besides ringtones and notifications, most Android phones also allow you to customize system sounds. Depending on your device, you may see options for touch sounds, dial pad tones, keyboard sounds, charging sounds, screen lock sounds, camera shutter sounds, and navigation sounds. You can turn these sounds on or off individually according to your personal preference. One of the most useful Android features is assigning different ringtones to individual contacts. This allows you to recognize who's calling without even looking at your phone. To do this, open the Contacts app and select the person you want to customize. Tap the three dots, then select the option Change Ringtone or Vibration. Look for Ringtone or Phone Ringtone and tap it. You'll see the same ringtone list you viewed earlier. Select any ringtone you want for that specific contact, then save the contact. The next time that person calls, your phone will play the unique ringtone you've assigned. If you don't want to use the built-in ringtones, Android also lets you use your own music. Go back to the ringtone settings and look for an Add, Plus, or Choose from Device button. If your phone provides this option, tap it to open the sound picker or file manager. Browse to the folder where your music is stored, such as the Downloads or Music folder, and select the MP3 file you want to use. Some Android phones even let you choose whether to play the song from the beginning or start from a highlighted section that's better suited as a ringtone. After selecting the file, it becomes your new ringtone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.